We, the people,
We'll pick the perfect hotel.
With everything in walking distance.
And shrimp in reaching distance.
we will stay in the theater district.
The big, naked Greek people district.
And we will have sand. In places we never had sand before.
Book your perfect hotel in the perfect spot with ultra-fast Orbitz mobile apps and save up to 50% with mobile-only deals. Orbitz. Take vacation back.
Hi guys, so you have just finished watching the introduction clip of the Orbitz, and it's also the topic for our case studies today. So welcome everybody to the Orbitz case study presentation. It is our outline, so there are two main parts. The first one is the introduction to the Orbitz, in which we'll tell you the basic information about the Orbitz, and the second part is the most important one, is the analyze the Orbitz business model, in which we have target customer, product and service, origin SWOT analysis, the development of Orbitz, and also the future plan. Let's come to the first part, is the introduction to the Orbitz. So Orbitz are proud to say that they are the leading online travel site, and there is no better company in the online travel industry than the Orbitz. Orbitz connects consumers to plane tickets from 400 airlines, hotel rooms from 80,000 hotels worldwide, as well as the rental cars and vacation packages. On a busy day, consumers will make an estimated 2 million research for airlines reservations and more than 1 million hotel reservations in the Orbitz website. And now we come to the important part. It is the analyze it, the Orbitz business model. First is the target customer. So it's really obvious for us to see who is the target customer of Orbitz as who is the target user of the Orbitz. So it is airlines, the hotels, car rental agency, etc. is the target customers that Orbitz are focused on, and the target user of the Orbitz is the mobile or smartphone user, and especially business user. Why they focus on mobile and smartphone user? So at first, Orbitz is famous for the website, the desktop website, but then they realized the rise of the mobile commerce, so they decided to develop the mobile website as well, the mobile application for the Orbitz. And why it is business user, Orbitz noticed that most business travelers already carrying a smartphone or other web-enabled mobile device, and mobile internet access was overtaking conventional desktop access, and also business user, they have no time to waste, so business user is the targeted user that Orbitz want to aim at. The product and service of the Orbitz. So Orbitz supply the booking service for airline ticket, for hotel rooms, for car park, crowd systems, the rental car, cruises, and vacation package. And beside website, they have the mobile website, the mobile applications on Android and iOS. About the competitive advantage, so you guys can see that the Orbitz reward is the deal that now on the Orbitz website, and it helps the user save up to 50% of the value, and it's also very time saving and easy to use, and even the beginner can easily use the Orbit. So this is the origin of the Orbit. In 1999, the five major airlines is United, the Delta, the Continental, the Northwest, and American. They together decide to create a website that is Orbit, and also in the two following years, in 2001, the website has launched with 6 other allies has invested beside the 5 ally founders. So let's come to the SWOT analyze it. So you can see on the slide the threat of the Orbit is the innovation of mobile application that launched by internet travel companies such as Kayak, the Expedia, the Brightline, Travelocity, and we also have to notice that these companies are the pioneer, and they are transforming the online travel industry, and they are the pioneer in this. The weakness that we have is the app has not been fully developed as a desktop version, and it needs time to fully completed. But just look to the opportunity and our strength. So the opportunity is big when internet travel is the new trend of travel industry. So because now people are really busy, that they don't have much time, they want something time saving and convenient. So internet travel is really a big trend nowadays. And also there's new version of HTML, which is HTML5, and it helps to improve the power of GPS. And let's see what we have in the strength of Orbit. So it is invested by 5 major allies at first, and also it is the pioneer in the mobile commerce when they introduced the mobile website and mobile application for business user. Also, the speed loading of the page is really fast, which is really attractive to the consumer, and it's easy to use. And it is the development of the Orbit. So in 2001, Orbit was the website to accept flight update and cancellation via paper and mobile phone. So it's really basic website. But in 2003, they had recruited more than 100 independent hotels in addition to its travel web, which include the big players such as Marriott and Hilton. And in 2006, they cooperate with 27 allies, which allow users to check the flight status, and user also could have searched for hotel in 19 destination market. From the year 2007 and 2008, a lot of utilities has been added to Orbit, like they can enable the mobile user to view the average wait times to get through the security and available Wi-Fi service for the particular airport. Also, a data feedback system was introduced to compute the check-in delay and taxi line wait time based on customer experience. The user can also view the traffic and weather condition, the car park and ground system as well. In 2010, the Orbitz decided to design the smartphone application for Android and iOS. And in 2011, the hotel booking was added on the iPad. And now they can turn on GPS, which display a map of the user's current location, and the app will show the hotel or lodging choice nearby. All they have to do is search hotel by city, address, zip code, and choose it. And in 2012, the iOS app included an improved filter tools, which enables users to search and compare offerings by cost, by distance from destination, and star rating. User can also create an online profile link to their credit card to speed up the checkout process. And trip can also be easily added to Apple Calendar, which is used by many iPhone and iPod Touch users. And we come to the last part, is the future plan of the Orbitz. So first, they plan to synchronize the mobile device and the desktop, so user can manage their information every time and everywhere. And also they decide to develop the application for Android tablet. So they have already developed for desktop website for iOS, like iPhone and iPad, and now they decide for Android tablet, which are like becoming popular for the users. And also they will provide the full service on iPad in addition to hotel booking tool nowadays. Okay, so that is the end of our presentation, and thank you for watching.